Okay, next is a Olympus Pen that I have. I'm going to sell this off. Comes with a bag. This one, this thing I think it's a bit funky. Well, it has an odd texture. But yeah, maybe you need to wipe it when you receive it, I guess. Show the aesthetics first. The front, the side, the other side, down, and back, and top. So it works. It fires. I think this is a half frame camera, so yeah. This is aperture and this is shutter. Not sure why this one they don't work, but if I put here then it works. When I put it on the orange part then it works. Alright, so show you the inside. You can see. Alright. Okay, so it fires. Let me put f22. Okay, so it corresponds to the aperture that I set. Okay. I'm not sure why it doesn't fire on like 10 or what. Not sure. Is it like the lighting conditions? It's not being met or what? Oh, it fires on 100. Okay, let me see. Oh, I think it detects a light. Maybe it detects a light, that's why. When I point it at my ring light, then it fires. When I point it down, it doesn't fire. So maybe it's some kind of smart detector kind of thing or what. Oh yeah, this is the ISO. Oh, okay. Oh, prevents you from firing if it's too dark. Okay, it fires. So yeah, there you go. I'm selling this off. And anything you can let me know. Thanks everyone.